University tour. What's your story? This really happened. I made a bid on Thumbtack for furniture assembly. And when doing these jobs, you go all over the place. Middle class neighborhoods, upper class neighborhoods, lower class neighborhoods. And I'm very careful where I go. Very selective. But this particular time, I made a bid to meet to assemble some furniture. I had no idea it was going to be the whole house. But that's what I did. I showed up, met the gentleman, introduced myself. Right away you can tell whether or not you're going to connect, and we did right away. Very nice gentleman. And my initial contact is to go over, assemble the furniture, and they pay you whatever you ask them to pay you, which makes it very nice. I went over to assemble. I looked around and discussed what he had and what he wanted done and where he wanted it assembled and put. In the process of doing this, people share their stories, especially if they don't get out and get to talk or get out in public much. They have a lot to say. And they share it with you, whether you want to hear it or not. But some cases, I enjoy listening to the stories, and they're amazing. And you get to know the person right there, their families. And I feel very comfortable with this contact. He had Ikea furniture delivered. He had moved from out of state. And he didn't bring anything. No furniture. I thought this is the first for me. No furniture. Everything's coming from Ikea in a box. And I thought this is going to be interesting because what about the couches and the love seats? But he emailed me one time and said that my living room furniture is here. And I get over wondering, what type of furniture is going to come in a box? A couch and a chair. And sure enough, I got there. He said it's right over there. And I'm wondering, there's a couch in this box? Open the box up. Now, I did not record myself doing this because I thought this is going to be ridiculous. I'm not even recording myself. I'm just going to assemble this and see what it looks like. I got the box open and began to assemble, and it looked really strange. Everything was within a square. But it was packed in a way where you couldn't tell what was going to happen. But when I finished assembling this couch, when I was putting this thing together and it started to come to, it was a couch in a box in pieces. I never seen this before. But this couch was in a box. When I got the couch assembled, and I think it was the love seat and the living room chair, we were sitting there laughing. We could not believe that Ikea had a couch in a box. And we sat there to get a feel of this couch and this chair, how it was what did it feel like? He was sitting in the chair, I was sitting on the couch. And I was wondering, wow, this is comfortable. This couch was so comfortable. And we were both amazed. A couch in a box. Ikea. Amazing. Material was, the fabric was good material. The packing material, the cushions were wonderful. I could not believe there was a couch in a box. the best I could to support him, get him settled down, and which I did. I tried to put myself into my work. And people that hire you, they can see whether or not you're into your work, which I was. I couldn't believe I assembled the bedroom sets, huge beds, dressers. There were 2 huge dressers in one bedroom, and a smaller dresser in another bedroom, and the nightstands. All of these pieces, all of these screws, nuts and bolts, and dowels in a box. I don't calculate the time, how long it's going to take. I just open the box up and start to assemble. And when I'm done or I'm through for the day, I just tell them I'll be back another day to finish up, and that's what I do. Got all of this furniture assembled from Ikea in a box. Okay, the virtually two, we're going to be assembling this Ikea line of Mickey desk here. Looks pretty simple to assemble, so let's go.